In this class we are going to discuss the next topic is binary codes. Okay, so this binary codes having some classifications. Now we will discuss that. Okay, so generally digital data can be represented in the form of bunch of digital detects. Okay, so that is known as the binary codes. Okay, so what is meant by binary codes? Generally the digital data, in that we are using the digital data only. So that digital data can be represented in the form of bunch of digital detects, that is known as the binary codes. Okay, so and these binary codes maybe include letters or symbols, etc. Okay, so we are having in the classifications for these binary codes like this. So this is the tree diagram of the binary codes. So this generally first binary codes can be classified into 6 types. Those are weighted codes, non-weighted codes, sequential codes, reflective codes, alphanumeric codes, and error detecting and correcting codes. Okay, so now what is meant by weighted codes? That means, so the value depends upon the weights assigned to their position. Already we know weighted codes is nothing but, already you know, as we discussed in the earlier class, that is nothing but binary and BCD. So how to find the binary codes and how to write the BCD codes means depends upon the base that is multiplied with each digit of weights of their positions, right? So that is nothing but weighted codes. So what is meant by weighted codes? The value depends upon the weights assigned to their positions. That codes we can call it as the weighted codes. So these weighted codes can be again classified into 2 types. Those are binary and BCD. Okay, so this is the binary is nothing but zeros and ones. The base of binary 2. So already knows how to write the binary information. And while coming to BCD, so what is the BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. Okay, so already we discussed this one. So that is nothing but BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. While coming to non-weighted codes, so these non-weighted codes are again classified into 3 types. Those are XS3 code, gray code, and 5-bit BCD code. Okay, so and next, while coming to third one, sequential codes, this one also again classified into 2 types, that is 8421 code and XS3 code. Okay, so the next one is reflective codes. So these reflective codes are also classified into 3 types, that is 2421 code and 5211 code and XS3 codes. Okay, so XS3 is going to come under 3 different codes, that is nothing but here non-weighted codes having the XS3 code and sequential code also having XS3 code. Like that, reflective code is also having XS3 codes. So for 3 XS codes are different in non-weighted codes and sequential codes and reflective codes. Okay, so in that we are writing the XS3 code that is related to non-weighted codes is different, and how to write the XS3 code in sequential codes, that is somewhat different as compared to non-weighted codes and reflective codes. Like that, reflective codes also having the XS3 codes, this is also somewhat different. Okay, so remember that XS3 is very important in exam point of view. Okay, so remember that. And now coming to alphanumeric codes, this is also classified into 2 types, that is ASCII characters, ASCII. Okay, and the next one is EBCDIC. So these are the 2 types related to the reflective codes. Sorry, not these are not related to the reflective codes. This is belongs to the alphanumeric codes. Okay, so now coming to the last type of binary code, that is error detecting and correcting codes. So in that we are having 2 types. The first one is parity and the second one is Hamming codes. So these are widely used in communication purpose. Okay, so this is also divided into 2 types. The first one is parity and second one is Hamming codes. Okay, so finally this BCD code is again divided into, so this BCD code is divided into several types. So in that we need to discuss some of the codes. Those are it's very important, we have to discuss in that. Those are 8421 code and 2421 code. Okay, so this BCD codes having several types of classifications, several types of codes will be involved in that BCD, but in the syllabus we have only 2 types. Those are related to 8421 and 2421. Okay, so we need to discuss these 2 types. Okay, so now we'll discuss one by one in binary codes. Before going to discuss its classifications of binary codes, first we need to discuss binary codes of the decimal codes. Okay, so that is nothing but how to write the binary codes for the decimal code. So decimal codes is nothing but already we know, right, that is equal to the natural numbers, right? So now we need to implement how to write a decimal number to convert into binary codes. Okay, so actually binary codes for decimal digits requires a minimum of 4 bits, is it right? So for any binary number for any decimal number, for suppose I am taking 10. Okay, so this is our decimal code. For example, you need to write in decimal number into binary number, compulsory we need to write in 4 digit code, is it right? Yes. So we need to write compulsory the binary number in 4 digit code. That is nothing but how to write the binary number in 10 means that is nothing but 1010 Okay, so this is nothing but binary code for 10 of decimal number. Okay, so if you need to implement any decimal number in binary codes, compulsory it requires minimum of 4 bits. Okay, remember the point. Okay, so like that numerous different codes can be obtained by arranging 4 or more bits in 10 distinct possible combinations. If you need to implement decimal codes in different types of binary codes, okay, that may be XS3 codes, or maybe if you want to implement any decimal number, that number will be implemented in that may be XS3 code, or maybe 8421 code, or maybe 2421 code, that is having different combinations in binary codes, right? So we need to implement one by one in that. So the main possible combinations are related to the decimal codes are, the first one is I need to implement decimal digits. Okay, so this is the decimal digit. Now I need to implement this decimal digit into different possible combinations of the BCD codes. Okay, so the first one is BCD. This is already you know, BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. We need to implement it in weight of 8421 code. Okay, that is nothing but general binary equivalent number, this one. Okay, so the next possible combination of binary coded is nothing but that is XS3 code. And another possibility will be there in that is nothing but 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. So this is nothing but normal 8421 code, and this is somewhat different, that is 84 minus 2 minus 1. So how to write it? 8421 code is nothing but whatever the binary equivalent number will have for any decimal number, that will be present in BCD. Okay, while coming to 8421 code is 84 minus 2 minus 1 code is nothing but the complete number of 84 minus 2 1 is nothing but like this we will implement 8 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1. These two are minus values and these two are plus values. Remember the point. So finally we'll get the answer is 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9. So this 8421 code is nothing but completely binary equivalent number. This is also related to the binary equivalent number with 9's complement number. So this is nothing but the overall digit 84 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 code is equal to the 9 only. So that weight of this 84 minus 2 minus 1 code is equal to the only 9. Okay, so remember the point. So this is somewhat different as compared to the 8421. Okay, so and another possibility we'll have in the different combinations in binary codes, that is 2421 code. This is also counted how much weight will get. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, plus 1 9. Okay, so and then last one is nothing but another possibility will have. These are very very important in binary codes, biquinary codes. Okay, so that is nothing but how to write the biquinary code is nothing but 5043210. Okay, so this is the code of biquinary. Okay, so now we'll discuss one by one for decimal codes for the binary codes for the decimal codes. Okay, so decimal digits, how to write the decimal digits? Generally we are taking decimal digits are 0 to 9. Why? Because means it's having the base as 10, right? So that's why I can take here the numbers from 0 to 9. So I can implement here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 and 9. So for these 9 decimal digits, we need to implement all the binary codes for this. Okay. So just listen. So how to write the binary coded decimal, that means 8421 code, how to write it? Already we know whatever the weight of its base, that means this is related to the binary, right? Binary coded is nothing but this complete information is related to binary. Binary is nothing but what is the number here we are having the base, that is 2, right? So whatever the weights we are having here, whatever the digit will have, that will be implemented with weights of its weights of their position, right? So like that we can implement. So for 0 we need to write 4 digit code, already I explained here. So for any digital code you need to implement it in binary form, compulsory we need 4 digit code. Okay, so that's why I can write here 4 digit code. So 4 zeros we have to get for the 0, and we have to write the one value. Already we know, already we discussed in the earlier classes, that is we have one table, right? So referring that table we have to write this 8421 code values. Okay, so for 1 we'll get the value as 0001. Okay, so for 2 we'll get the value becomes 0010. Okay, so for 3 we'll get the value becomes 0011. Okay, so for 4 how to write the value 100, and for 5 101, for 6 110, for 7 111, and next 8 1000, and next for 9 1001. Okay, so these are the binary coded decimal values for 8421 code. Okay, so for any digital digit, for any decimal digit you need to implement BCD code like this. Okay, so actually we have 0 to 15 values. For decimal we need to implement only 10 values, that's why I can write here 0 to 9 only. Okay, so we have the table, right? So just check it, the table where it is. So referring the table we need to implement that values. This is the table. Okay, so for all decimal digits we need to implement the binary codes. Referring that table you can write the values. So how to find these values means we need to take, that is nothing but decimal to binary conversion. So we have one conversion in that is number based conversion. In that one type of conversion we'll have, that is decimal to binary. So that means we have to multiply each digit with 2 power 0. Okay, so then only we'll get the value of decimal digit. So just check it here. This is the binary, binary value of base is nothing but 2. So we need to multiply each digit with powers, weights of this position, right? So I can multiply here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So these are all zeros, 0 into anything 0. So here one value will be there, 1 into 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is nothing but we'll get 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So we'll get the value as 1. So like that you need to implement the second value also, 2 power 0, 2 power 1. These two value also 2 power 3, 2 power 2. But 0 values will be there, right? 0 into something 0. So where we are having the 1, that is only possible will come. So 2 power 1, right? 2 power 1 into 1 is nothing but 2 into 1, 2. So like that we need to implement BCD codes. So this is the 8421 code. Now we'll write the XS3 code. So how to implement the XS3 code means, actually as the name indicates, just observe here, XS3. That means we need to increase 3 digit of that binary code. Okay, just observe here, as the name indicates, this is the excess of 3 to the BCD code. So what is the BCD code for 0? 000. So then we'll come to the XS3. So what is the number of 0 of XS3 means, what is the main point here? This is excess of 3 to the BCD code. That means, for example, if you are having any number in binary codes, just observe here, if you, for example, if you are having any number in BCD codes, by adding 3 to the, by adding 3, normal 3, okay, by adding 3 to that BCD, you are going to get XS3 code. Okay, so now we will see one by one how to get XS3. Actually, how to get XS3 code. So now we'll see that. Actually, what is the 0 of binary code? 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the main point of XS3? Any binary number, that means any BCD code is added by adding 3. Okay, so by adding 3 we'll get excess 3 number. So actually for 0, what is the BCD code? All zeros, right? So what is the main point here? By adding 3. So what is the 3 of binary code? That is 0011. Now I am adding these numbers. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 0. So what is the 0 of excess 3 code? That is 0011. Okay, what is the next one? 1. So 1 of binary code is nothing but 0001. So again I can add 1 to the 3. So that is nothing but 0011. 1 plus 1 0 1 carry. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 0 1 carry. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. So that means we'll get the value becomes 0100 for the 1 of excess 3 code. Okay, so like that you need to implement all the BCD codes. Directly I am writing. Okay, we need all of you practice that ma. So you will get that all the values for adding adding 3 digit to the any BCD code. You will get that excess 3 code of the decimal digit. Okay, so 0010 is nothing but, for that I am adding 0011. What is the value we'll get? Means actually just simple thing. The simple thing how to implement the excess 3 code for all BCD codes means, this is the number 2, right? We need to write for 2 of excess 3 code. So 2 plus 3, actually we need to add 3 digit for every BCD code. So this is the 2 number. Adding 3 is nothing but 3 plus 2 5. So what is the 5 binary code? So that is nothing but 0101. Next, 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. 6 of BCD code is nothing but 0110. This is a simple way, but if you need to get clarity by using this addition process. Okay, so directly you can add like this also. So 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. What is the 7 of binary code? That is 0111. Next, 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8. So if you are adding 3 digit with BCD of 5 digit, so then we'll get the 8. So what is the 8 binary code? 1000. So next, 6 plus 3 is nothing but 9. What is the 9 of binary code? That is 1001. So like that 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. So how to write the 10 decimal number is BCD code is nothing but 0101010. Next, 8 plus 3 11. Actually what is the decimal what is the BCD code of 11 is nothing but, that is 1011. And 9 plus 3 is nothing but 12. How to write the 12 means 11100. Okay, so this is the how to write excess 3 code. Okay, so by using this addition process we need to write excess 3 code for any BCD code. Okay, so and now while coming to the next one, that is nothing but 84 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so how to implement this one means, if I want to convert 0, okay, so if I want to convert 0 for 84 minus 2 minus 1 code, obviously each digit is multiplied with 0. Remember the point, each digit is multiplied with 0, then we'll get obviously zeros. The first one is 84 minus 2 1 code is nothing but, actually each digit is multiplied with 0 for this 0 of decimal digit. So then only we'll get the value becomes 0000. If I want to convert 1, okay, if I want to convert 1, how can we make that 1 for 8421 minus 84 minus 2 minus 1 code means, just check it, each digit is this one, each digit is multiplied with weights of its position. Okay, so how to multiply means, we need to write the we need to get the value becomes 1, right? We need to get value becomes 1. So how to get that value 1 means, actually this is 842 minus 2 minus 1. So if I need to get 1 means, I am adding these values. How to get the value 1 means 4 minus 3. Like that we need to add that values, right? So here just observe here, 0 into 8 0. I am writing here. First one is 0 into 8 0. Weights of its position, right? Each digit is multiplied with weights of position and by adding all the digits. That is the main thing. So 0 into 8 0. And again 1 into 4 1. Okay. Next, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, and 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So then we'll get 4 is highlighted and minus 2 is highlighted and minus 1 is highlighted. That means now adding these three terms, 4 minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but 4 minus 3. We'll get 1. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So I'm doing here. So that is nothing but I'm taking the binary number as 0 1 1 1 for 84 minus 21 minus 1 code of the 1 digit, right? So how to get that 1 for this 8421 code means each digit is multiplied with this code 84 minus 21 code. So the first value will be MSB is multiplied with MSB value 0 into 8 plus after that adding all the values. Next 4 into 1 plus 1 into what is the next value, minus 2. Next 1 into minus 1. Okay, so 0 into anything 0 plus 4 into 1 4 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So then simplify this, 4 minus 3 is nothing but we'll get only 1. That is the binary decimal of 1 is 8421 minus 1 code is nothing but 0 1 1. Like that we need to implement all the values. For to how to write it, so we need to get 2, no? So 4 minus 2 directly we'll get 2, right? If you need to check it, 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 3 is nothing but actually we'll get 9. So another possibility is there. So nothing else here, no possibility will come. Just the possibility will comes to 4 minus 2 only. That is nothing but these two are highlighted and another two values will be zeros. So that is nothing but 0 1 1 0. Just check it. 0 1 1 0 is nothing but 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Right? So 0, 4 minus 2 plus 0. So then we'll get 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. So by adding these values, we need to get these values. Okay, so just check it, normal addition process we need to follow this. So next 3, we need to get the value becomes 3, right? So how to get the 3 here? So just observe here, 4 minus 1, that is nothing but directly we'll get the value will becomes 3. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. That means 4 need to highlighted and minus 1 will be highlighted. So remaining 8 minus 2 is 8 and 2 minus 2 values will be zeros. So I can write the value 0 1. So 1 into 4 is nothing but 4. Minus 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. Okay, so this is the procedure we need to follow to write that 84 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 code. Okay, so what is the next one? 4. We need to get the value becomes 4, right? So how to get the 4? So here directly we'll have the 4. 4 itself we need to write that 84 minus 2 1 minus code. That means remaining values will be zeros. So that means 8 will be 0, 4 itself highlighted and the minus 2 minus 1 will be zeros. Directly 4 into 1 is nothing but 4. Okay, so like that 5. So how to get the 5 value here? So just observe here, 8 and 4 will be 0. Okay, so 8 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but 3. 8 minus 3 directly will get 5. So that's why 8 highlighted, 4 will be 0 and 1 will be highlighted and 2 will be highlighted. So 8 minus 2 minus 3, that is nothing but 8 minus 3 5. Like that you need to write it. So and the next one 6. How to get the 6 value here? So 8 minus 2 directly will get 6. That's why 8 itself highlighted and 4 is 0 and minus 2 is highlighted and minus 1 is 0. So directly check it. This is the 8 possibility and this is the minus 2 possibility. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6. Okay, so and 7. So how to get the 7? 8 minus 1 7. Okay, so that means 8 and 1 will be highlighted, 1001. Okay, so 8 minus 1 will be 7 and next 8. So directly we'll have 8 here, 8 itself will write it. So remaining all will be zeros. Okay, so how to write the 9 means here, just check it, already we'll get the 9 here. How to write it? All the possibility will comes highlighted. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9. So that means all the values will be highlighted. This is the possibility to write that 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. Okay, by using addition and subtraction process we need to write it. Okay, so now while coming to the 2421 code, so how to write it 2421 code means, in that we are going to write 2421 code means least significant values we need to use. Least significant values means these are. Okay, so which value will be having least weight, that weight will be multiplied with the same process will be repeated here also. What we are going here, which process we are going in that 84 minus 2 minus 1 code, the same process will be followed in 2421 code also. But the thing is, least significance we need to use. Which bit having least weight, that bits we need to use in that. Okay, so first how to write the 0 means, so each digit is multiplied with 0, directly will get zeros. Okay, so and the next one is, what is the next code? 1. So how to write the 1 means, directly itself 1 will be there here. So directly I am writing, this is the least significant weight, no? So the remember, this is, we need to use only least significant weight. Okay, which bit having least significant weight means, this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, 2 power 3. That means we are moving from right to left, the weight of its position is increased, right? So where we are getting the least position, at the right side position we are getting the least significant weight, right? So that's why we can use mostly in least significant weight. Okay, so here directly we'll write 0, each digit is multiplied with 0. 2 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 0. Now adding all the values, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will get 0. Like that we need to write 1 also. 1 is directly will have here in the first position, so that's why I can write 000, 1. Okay, so now check it, 2 power 0 into 1 is nothing but 1 into 1, 1. Okay, remaining all the values will be 0 now, so directly we'll get 0001. So like that, second value, that is nothing but whatever the BCD codes up to 4, the same 4 numbers will be repeated in 2421 code. So like this, 2 itself will have here, so 0010. Okay, so and the next one is, like that also we have to write here 2 itself here also there, 1000 also we can write it, but that weight of its position is very high as compared to the second position. So this is 2 power 1 position, and if you need to write 1000 for the 2 number, so what happens here, this weight is 2 cube, that means weight of the its position is more increased as compared to the 2 power 1 weight, right? That's why I can write 0010 here. And next 3, how to write the 3 means 2 plus 1, 3. So that's why I can write 00. 2 plus 1 is nothing but these two numbers will be highlighted. And the next 4 digit, 4 is directly will have itself, so directly will write it 0100. And 5, so how to write it 5? So 4 plus 1, 5, or otherwise we can write it directly 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, but the weight will be increased. I am writing here. So for 2421 code of 5, how to write it means, so like this also will write it 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, or otherwise we can write it one more thing, one more possibility also will have here, that is 4 directly will have, and 4 plus 1 will get 0. So just for the 5, in 2421 codes we'll get the two possibilities, but this weight is very high as compared to this one. So just check it, 1011 of weight, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So this 2 power 3 is weight is 8 actually. So that means 8, 2 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, totally we are getting the digit of weight is 11. But as compared to here, 101, this is 2 power cube, 2 power square, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. Then we'll get 1 plus 2 square is nothing but 4. So directly we'll get the weight is very less as compared to this digit. That's why I can take 0, 101, or otherwise you can take directly, that is nothing but, what is the 5 of code? 1011. Okay, so this is 5 possibilities, and the 6th possibility is nothing but, so in generally 6th possibility will come 4 plus 2, 6, that is 0110, or otherwise we can write one more possibility also, 4 plus 2, 6, that means 1100. Okay, so the same procedure you can follow. We'll get two possibilities for this also. You can write any one of these in that. Okay, so the next one is 7. 7, how to write it means, in generally 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. That means 0, the remaining will be highlighted actually. And other possibilities also there, 4 plus 2 6 and 1 7. So that means 1 1 0 1. This is also one more possibilities we'll get for the 7 of 2421 code. And like that 8. So 8, how to write it? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. That means 1110. Okay, so that is the only we'll get one possibility here for 8. And for 9, how to write it? Add all the numbers, will get 9. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So that means all will be ones. So for these three numbers we'll get the two possibilities. That means for 5 and 6, for 7 you need to write any one of in that. Okay, so no problem. For this 3 digit for these 3 codes we'll write the two possibilities. Okay, so this is the 2421 code. And now we'll write the biquinary codes. Okay, so how to write the biquinary codes means, actually this code is as 5043210. Okay, so this biquinary code is nothing but, so that means biquinary code is nothing but, it is a 7-bit code. So what is the weight of this code is nothing but 5043210. Okay, so we need to implement decimal codes for the biquinary means, here what is the first number? 0, right? So we need to get 0 by using this biquinary code means, in that adding any two numbers of this weight will get 0. Okay, so how to write it means, so 0 plus 0 will get the value will be 0, right? So that's why this wherever the zeros will have, the two places will be highlighted, the remaining all values will be inactive. That is nothing but 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So just count it. This is 7-bit code. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so totally 7-digit code it is. And we need to implement the first decimal digit is 0. How to write it? Decimal digit of 0 for biquinary value means, so for adding these two weights of zeros, so then we'll get the value becomes 0. So 0 plus 0 0. So that's why in the place of 0 I can highlight it. So what is the next one? The decimal digit will be 1. So how can we make it 1 means, so 1 directly itself we are having, so 0 plus 1 1. So that's why I can highlight it the 0 place, and the next place is 1 and 0 will be inactive. So here just count it. So this is 0. Now add it where we are having the highlighted positions. So 0 plus 1. So that directly will get value is 0 plus 1 will be equal to the 1. So the next one is 2. So how to get the 2 means, directly 2 itself will have it. Okay, so here 2 itself will be there. So